Welcome. In this short lesson, you will learn how to make Excel do the math for you, so your sheets update automatically instead of staying stuck with fixed numbers. This guide is for the free online version of Excel and will cover the one rule you must remember, the basic math symbols, how to build formulas by clicking cells, and why using cell addresses makes your work dynamic. First, the single most important rule. Every formula must start with an equal sign. If you type 1010 and press enter, Excel treats it as text and just shows 1010. If you type A1010 and press enter, Excel knows you want a calculation and shows 20. That little equal sign tells Excel to wake up and do the math for you. Excel uses the same math symbols you already know. Use a plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, a star or asterisk for multiplication, and a forward slash for division. The easiest and safest way to build formulas is to let Excel write the cell addresses for you by clicking the cells while you type. Imagine A1 contains 100 and bone contains 50, and you want the total in cone. Click cone, type the equal sign. Then click A1. Excel will insert A1 into the formula and show a colored border around that cell. Type the plus sign, then click bone. Excel will add bone to the formula and highlight it with a different color. Press enter, and cone will show 150, while the formula Gallon bone sits quietly behind the cell. That ability to point to cells is what makes spreadsheets powerful. If you wrote G150 and later someone changes the first number to 200, you would have to edit the formula by hand. If you wrote A bone instead, changing the value inside A1 automatically changes the result. Use cell references rather than hard numbers so your sheet stays correct when the data changes. Spend a few minutes practicing this exact workflow. Once this feels natural, formulas will become a tool you use every time. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.